Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at a compact but very useful battery maintenance tool, the NOCO GENIUS1 A6V/12V Smart Battery Charger. If you want to keep your vehicle batteries healthy and ready to go, this smart charger is a great solution. The GENIUS1 works as a battery charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator all in one. It delivers 1 amp of charging power and supports both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, making it compatible with cars, motorcycles, ATVs, boats, lawn equipment, and more. One of the best features is its fully automatic smart charging system. Once connected, it automatically detects the battery condition, charges it safely, and then switches to maintenance mode to keep the battery topped up without overcharging. It also includes battery repair technology that helps reduce sulfation in lead-acid batteries, which can extend battery life and improve performance over time. Another useful feature is temperature compensation. The built-in sensor adjusts the charging process based on the surrounding temperature, preventing undercharging in cold weather and overcharging in hot conditions. The charger is also compact, energy efficient, and easy to use, supporting multiple battery types including lead-acid, AGM, gel, maintenance-free, and lithium batteries. Overall, the NOCO GENIUS1 A6V/12V Smart Battery Charger is a simple and reliable tool for maintaining batteries and extending their lifespan. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.